Hey guys, second part of today's session will consist of 4 smaller workouts. All of them are types of interval training, similar concepts but different moves. First one is 6 rounds of 3 exercises. We start with ski jumps, 30 seconds in a moderate tempo, then full body exercise for 15 seconds, in this case half burpees, and finish with explosive front thrusts. After that we have half a minute of rest and repeat it 5 more times. Ski jumps. You will need something to place on the floor so you can jump over. In my case, rolled yoga mat works just great. While doing ski jumps, try not to hit the mat and always jump over. 30 seconds of that and we switch to the next exercise. Half burpee is the burpee without touching the floor with your chest and laps. 15 seconds of that and we change to the front thrust. You will need a bottle of water, small dumbbells or any other kind of weight that you can find at home. All you have to do is to fully extend your arms and bring them back, and you have to do it as fast as possible. Imagine like you're trying to throw this weight away and to throw it really far. That's the first workout, guys. If you need, you can pause this video and do the workout. If not, I'm just going to carry on. For the second one, we have 5 rounds of 3 different exercises. Similar concept. We have 30 seconds of cardio work, 15 seconds of whole body work, and 50 seconds of explosive work. Plank step-ups. It's simply when you're moving in plank over the obstacle sideways. You can use a chair like me, any kind of box, a bucket, or even a bottle of water like this. But in this case it's going to be plank step overs, which is also fine. 30 seconds of that and we switch to sit through. Do you guys remember sit through? We did it on our second day of this course. Just a short demo to refresh your memory. – 15 seconds of that and we switch to jumping lunges. Try to make them explosive and try to touch or almost touch the floor with your back knee. If jumping lunges are too much for you, normal lunges are also acceptable. That was second workout, guys. Feel free to pause the video if you want to do it right now, and I keep going. Third part, again, similar concept, different exercises. You know all these exercises by now, so let's have a closer look. Side shuffles, simple and very effective cardio exercise. Don't forget to touch the floor every time you change direction. Step ups with knee. Try to keep your front shin always square to the floor. You can hold the wall if you feel lack of balance. Every time you push yourself up, bring the other knee forward. You can do a half of the round one leg and half of the round the other leg, or you can alternate every 2-3 steps. Front lift. You will need your bottle of water or any kind of weight that you can find at home. Keep your arms straight and with an exhale, lift it up to your eyes level. Try to make your moves nice and controlled. You can lean back against the wall to avoid swinging. That was part 3. Pause your video if you want to do this workout right now, and I move to the next one. The very last one for today. 3 rounds of 3 exercises and all of them are static. Invisible chair. Get to the position when your thighs are parallel to the floor. Imagine like you're sitting on an invisible chair. And you have to just chill here for 30 seconds. Another option, if this one feels unbearable, you can lean back on the wall. Same idea, thighs parallel to the floor. You can keep your arms crossed on your chest or extend them forward. And simply rest here for 30 seconds. Dorsal hold, or a fly of the Superman. We've done Supermans before, but we did it in dynamic. This time we just have to hold this for 15 seconds. And the last one, the boat pose. Try to find a comfortable position here and just enjoy it for next 15 seconds. You can keep your legs straight if you want to make it more challenging, but just the normal position with your legs bent is also acceptable. You can also try and play with the distance between your chest and your knees to find the most comfortable position for you. And that was the last workout for today. I hope you guys made it all the way through and had a good fun, and I will see you soon.